Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by giving permission and opening the tool. This step avoids interruptions later. Grant screen, microphone, and camera access when prompted, because apps block capture otherwise. Once done, close resource-heavy programs to free CPU and upload bandwidth. Aim for at least 2-3 Mbps. Now open the conferencing or streaming app. Locate the share screen control in the main window or toolbar. Choose whether to share an entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. Pick what protects privacy and shows only the content you intend to share. Next, you choose precisely what to share and configure audio so viewers hear both system sounds and your voice. Select entire screen for demos, a window for apps, or a browser tab to limit exposure. Test privately to confirm the right item is visible. Make sure to enable system audio when sharing videos and pick the correct microphone input for commentary. Also adjust resolution and frame rate. Opt for 16 to 9,720p when bandwidth is limited, because higher settings increase CPU and upload demands, which can cause lag or dropped frames. You finish by starting the share and monitoring how it appears to participants. Use presenter or grid view to confirm visibility. During the session, mute and unmute your mic to control background noise and use pause share if you need to switch files privately. When finished, click Stop Sharing. Don't forget to close sensitive windows. If problems happen, restart the app first, then verify OS permissions and selected source. If that fails, switch to the browser version or rejoin the meeting, because that often clears device conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.